So guys, aalis muna kami dahil on call yung asawa ko. Dala niya yung work pager. Kaya kami ay mag-go muna.
Forgot that. Neurological care for emergencies.
Diner. Taco Tuesday at Woody's Diner.
Look at the haze.
Cute.
Another one right here that you can go down into. It's underneath here.
And that one too, right?
And this one.
Yeah.
And then the plants up there, I think you can see it. I'm not sure. There's the other one. Has to be even taller. On the water. Let's see if you can see the dinger.
That does work, Scrappy. Is it nice here? That's one of your Dada's park. Salva Ranch. It's nice here. Huh? Yes? Why cry? Wanna play in the park? Yeah? Oh, Scrappy wants to play in the park. You like Dada's park? Huh? That's pretty, huh? Nice, Papa.
Overwatering. Frick. Look at the water's. It's done and it ran way down. Gotcha. Glory hole. Look at. Oh.
I am watching
Yes. We're frogging today.
Yeah, definitely. There. Aye, aye, aye.
Never got 40 pounds on it, probably be heavy.
I don't find mine. Mine is gone. Can you let me go?
Oh,
We didn't find any snakes, but we found some frogs.
Oh, there is a snake.
Where?
No, it's between me and my neighbor over there. Yeah.
So we only. Everything's contracted out.
Here at one of the park where my husband works, he's on call, so he's dealing with the women's bathroom right now. There's an issue. He's fixing it.
I'm getting a call from now.
Really? You can eat those, right? Tuna. Fried chicken.
they have chicken curry.
Okay.
They have little bits.
Oh, yeah.
It's actually.
This is kind of like an egg roll, but different shape.
What is it?
One more of these? What, you want an egg roll?
It tastes like it. You should try it. Yeah, it is an egg roll.
Looks so good. Rich Farm ice cream. Yum. I like toasted almond. Rich Farm. Done. Still working. Changing the trash. Emptying it. And they're still doing some baseball game here at Veterans Park. You see bear.